I feel close, but maybe I'm not. Heaven knows it's a spotlight stuck on the ceiling. Why are these the things that I'm feeling? There's so much time for me to speak up, but I keep quiet. I'll complicate most of the mantra. The power is off and I can't turn the fan on. So can I call you tonight? I try to make up my mind just how I feel. Can you tell me what's real? I hear your voice on the phone, and I'm no longer alone. It's just how I feel. Can you tell me what's real anymore? Hey guys, I'm Vasco, and today we're fulfilling another request. Can I Call You Tonight by Dayglow. I'll show you how to play it in the original key or on a high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's go. Alright, so basically throughout the whole song we're just going between D and A, but there are little details. So we start on the D major 7, and then we play the D6 chord, alright? And the strumming in the intro is something like down, chuck, up, chuck, chuck. And when I say chuck, I mean muted strum basically. So, and then we go to D6, again D major 7, D6, and then we go to A, to A major 7. Alright, in the intro the A and A major 7 are longer. After that they are changing as fast as the D major 7 to D6. During the verse they're changing like this. But in the intro actually they're and also in the intro, a second ukulele can do the same thing that I'm doing when the chorus is playing, this thing. Which is basically D major 7, but I'm playing the G string, then the A string, and then E string 4th fret, A string, E string 2nd fret with the bar, again A string, and here the C string 4th fret, but it's coming a little bit earlier, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and here we're grabbing A chord with a bar on the 4th fret, middle finger 5th fret of the E string, and the ring finger 6th fret of the G string. And also I'm putting the pinky on the 7th fret of the A string. And I'm doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then up here, grabbing this is actually the A6 chord. Alright, let's talk a little bit more about the strumming patterns. We already said that in the intro it's down, chuck, up, chuck, chuck, down, chuck, up, chuck, chuck, down, chuck, up, chuck, chuck, down, chuck, up. But in the verses there are less strums. So you can hear one major strum on the first time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and these are the main two strums in the verse, but also I'm doing very, very gentle strums in between them just because the ukulele doesn't have the sustain of the electric guitar. I feel close, but maybe I'm not. Heaven knows it's a spotlight stuck on the ceiling. Why are these the things that I'm feeling? wah, ba, down. Da, do, 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 do. Ba, do, da, ba, ba, ba. And we have this little pre-chorus part that goes like this. Alright, what's that? It is starting on the 12th fret of the A string, then 11, 9, 12th fret of the E string, and then 9th fret of the A string again, 12th fret of the E string, 9th fret, sliding to the 7th, and finishing on 9th fret C string. And we go to the chorus. So can I call you tonight? I'm trying to make up my mind just how I feel. Can you tell me what's real? Hear your voice on the phone, and I'm nosing it down. Just how I feel. Can you tell me what's real anymore? And after the second verse, the pre-chorus is actually a little bit different. We don't have this little peak here. We have one different strumming pattern on the chord of A. It is something like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to make it right, I'm just constantly moving my hand, and every time on the strong beat I'm going down, on the off beat I'm going up, and it's up, down, up, up, down, down. Well, that's a detail that is definitely not so necessary, but if you want to make it, do it. And basically this sums up my tutorial for Can I Call You Tonight. It will be very helpful if you have the printable in front of you. You can get it from the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.